Have you ever felt out of the loop when it comes to popular culture? If you're like me and find yourself saying, I don't really enjoy Hamilton or hip-hop, you might be wondering if it's time to change that perspective. But here's where it gets interesting. Is it possible that you're missing out on something truly remarkable? On another note, if you're a subscriber to a service and have been notified about payment issues, it's crucial to act swiftly. We've made several attempts to reach out to you because we haven't been able to process your payment. To ensure that your subscription continues without interruption, please take a moment to update your payment information. You can do this easily by visiting the My Account section or by clicking on the Update Payment Details link. Don't wait too long. If you don't update your payment details soon, your subscription is at risk of being terminated. We genuinely want you to continue enjoying the benefits of your subscription, so please take action now to avoid any disruption. Have you ever faced a similar situation? What do you think about the importance of staying current with trends like Hamilton and hip-hop? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's discuss whether it's worth diving into new genres or if sticking to what you love is the way to go.